What's going on YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be checking out the Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. So this just got released a few days ago here, and I'm excited to check it out. So there are a couple of new features that this has over the original Video Doorbell Pro. I was going to say 2, but the first version of the Video Doorbell Pro. The biggest thing is the 3D motion detection. So this is going to give you a 3D topical view of where that person came from, and I'll show it to you later in the video so you can check it out yourself. This is about the same size as the original Pro Video Doorbell, even though the box seems a lot smaller. At first I thought it was going to be a lot smaller doorbell itself, just based on the box, because the box is a lot smaller than the Video Doorbell Pro. But the Pro 2 is actually about the same size, if not exact same size as the Pro. So here are the features on the back side. It is hardwired for power. There is no battery operation on the Pro models. It does have 1536 by 1536 HD video, so it's a little bit better than the 1080p, which is 1920 over 1080 pixels. Is it pixels? I think it's pixels. Either way, this is a 1:1 aspect ratio versus 1080p is more of a 16:9 aspect ratio. What that allows you to get is a more head-to-toe visual representation when you see the video. It does have two-way talk, a live view, real-time notifications, privacy controls, color night vision, Ring Protect plan, which includes the video and photo history, smart alerts, Alexa greetings. This does have dual band Wi-Fi, so you can hook it up to 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz wireless networks. It is weather resistant. You do have the choice of additional faceplates. Now, I will say the original Ring Pro came with, I think 4, maybe 3 different faceplates or different color faceplates. This one only comes with 1. It's the silver. However, they do send you an email with a coupon code for a free additional one in the color you choose. So you have to essentially purchase it for free and get it shipped later. It has a pre-roll of 6-second preview videos, which is, I think it's an improvement over the Video Doorbell Pro, or no, Video Doorbell Wired, which is 4 seconds or 3 seconds. I can't remember which one it was. And I know the Video Doorbell 3 and 3 Elite are 3-second pre-record. Like I said, it is head-to-toe video, and this one does HD audio, so we're gonna check that out as well. Apparently the HD audio is gonna be a lot better than the regular audio, so I wanna check and see how well that does. And then it has the 3D motion detection. So with the subscription plan, it allows you to save the videos and photo history, get smart alerts and Alexa greetings. That is $3 a month or $30 for a year. And then, like every other Ring, it does work with Apple and Android. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what you get in the box. Also, I want to show you the quality of the video for daytime footage, nighttime footage, as well as color night vision. And I also want to compare the Pro versus the Pro 2 for the HD quality of audio. I want to see if they improved it on this version over the Pro, and if they did, how much. So let's go ahead and check and see what you get in the box. So here's the doorbell. Now, originally in the box, I thought it was going to be smaller than this. I'll put it up next to my Ring Pro and see the size comparison. It looks, just right now, just seeing it without next to it, it looks pretty close to the same. Now, as you can see, it came with the silver faceplate here, and they give you a coupon to get what other faceplate you want. So right now my house has, I think it's the dark bronze, and so I wouldn't want the silver. I'd probably go with the dark bronze. But as you can see here, you have the standard doorbell button here with the ring light and the camera, and then you got all the sensors around the camera, and then you have the Ring logo at the bottom. On the back side, it says 16 to 24 volts, so your doorbell must produce 16 to 24 volts. Most standard doorbells will be able to produce that, so you should be fine. And then you have the 2 posts to hook up your doorbell wires, and it doesn't matter which one goes to where on this one. One thing I did notice about this, it's a pretty bulky heatsink here for this doorbell. I'm not sure that the Pro had that, but either way, I mean, I'm sure they have to get some way to get the heat out of it. They also provide you a wedge. So if you needed to position the doorbell at an angle, they provide you a little 45-degree wedge. That's something that's new. They used to make you buy it, I believe. I know it didn't come with my Pro, so that's extra. That's really nice. So then you have the user guide, a quick start guide, and then an important information guide here. Small guide for a small box. Kind of explains to you how to hook everything up. They provide you the Ring security bit, star bit here for the screw at the bottom, so that way no one takes your faceplate off and unscrews your doorbell, even though you can just go buy the actual bit. You may even have it in your toolbox if you have quite a bit of tools. But either way, they provide you this. Then you have extended wires, so that way if your doorbell wires aren't long enough, they give you wire nuts and little extended wires. Here are the security screws. They give you 2, just in case you lose one. Here's the screws so that you can mount the Ring Pro 2 to the 45-degree plate if you'd want to do that. Here's the mounting screws to the house with drywall anchors if you need those. And then you have their power kit here. So this goes in the chime box in your house. So you got double sticky tape there and 2 wires here. And hooking this up allows you to utilize your factory or in-home chime. You don't have to buy a separate one with this kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up in my Ring app, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get you some previews of videos during the day and then videos during the night so you can see the quality of the video. I'm gonna do one at nighttime with my outside lights on and then one without, because it does have color night vision if you have lights out. And then also we're gonna check out the new HD audio to see the quality of that and make sure, well, not make sure, but we're gonna see what the quality is. Hopefully it's improved, because we all know talking to a camera or talking through a camera, a security camera, isn't always the best. It always sounds like someone's underwater. So we're gonna see if there's any difference, if they've improved that. So let's go ahead and check that out. Here's the quality of the night vision without any lights on, and then also the audio quality you're hearing. So this is what you're gonna see with no lights on. The quality of the daytime footage and the audio quality you're going to hear. Here's a little preview of the 3D motion detection. Top left, you can see the bird's eye view, and you can see the dots are starting to form here, and that's letting you know kind of where I came from around my house. So where they get the bird's eye view is through, I think it's Google Maps, I believe, and so it'll ask you for your address, and it goes through Google Earth to get the picture or overview picture of your house. So that way you can track where the people are coming from when they're coming up to your camera.
So this is the quality of the audio that you're going to receive through the Ring Pro 2. So this is what it's going to sound like when you're talking to somebody through a phone to the doorbell.
So there's the Ring Pro 2. A quick review and unboxing. Now, I will say that the 3D motion detection, I think it's an added feature, but I don't think it's necessary. I don't really think it's going to be something that you're really going to use. If you think you're going to be able to use that, or if you think of a way that that'd be really helpful, go ahead and put it in the comment section below. I'd love to hear about that. I do think the audio is way better coming through this, as you heard in my video. Unfortunately, for whatever reason, my original Ring Pro was having issues, and when I was trying to talk through it, it decided it wanted to stop recording. So I'm not really sure what's going on with that. I think maybe the Ring device was like, wait, am I getting replaced by the Ring Pro 2? I don't know. Maybe it had stage fright. I have no idea. I tried, and I couldn't get it to work, and so I got frustrated, and I was like, I'm gonna bypass this and not even do it. But I will say that what you get with the Ring Pro 2, the quality of the audio, I think it's really, really good, which I really like that Ring was able to kind of improve that, because that helps out a lot. Now, as far as the head-to-toe video footage, I think it's great that you're being able to do that. Is it a need? I don't know. It's up to you. It depends on where you put your camera. If you're having trouble seeing the packages that UPS or Amazon or anybody like that puts on your door because of the view, it might be for you. If you're just looking at what doorbell to buy currently, if you have a couple extra bucks, I'd go for the Ring Pro 2. If not, the Ring Pro is still a great video doorbell. I still highly recommend the Video Doorbell Pro, as well as I even recommend the wired video doorbell, which is $59. The Ring Pro 2 is $250. I'll leave a link in the description below for all of them so you can check it out. Again, like I said, the Ring Pro is discounted now. If you have any questions, comments, or opinions about this new Ring Pro 2, go ahead and put it in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. If this video helped you out in any way, please leave me a like. If this is your first time to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I will see you next time.